Count.
One,
2, 3, let me know.
2, 3.
No go on in a favor, idiot. Alright, so welcome people. Before we go any further, I have to ask you to subscribe, please. Thanks. Alright, so look up that video is gonna be a little different segment included, so let's go.
G L E Gulu gulu.
Shut up your mouth, man. Well, it's good for sister teacher them realize they are dunceness of the thing now and them a play them part, you see. Dunceness is not a subject, it's a language, it's a... You don't understand. You don't understand. You me I make your people. Writing king a dunce just a chicken, a badness. Speaking of badness, most Jamaica that burger come from. Cause of them badness them me a talk about, you see.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
All I bury them on is a Clarks, a cut off foot pants, and a buckler idol. With BioClear, of course.
I'm done. With the A din din. Yeah, hear me game changer. And we out here. Mix up the G and G with the BioClear.
And I really would, you know. Cause see them go call him friend.
I got fake people showing fake love to me straight up to my face.
Alright, epic fail time now. People, I just go through this quick and fast. Now that's a landing. That bad. I'm supposed to feel great, is it? I wonder how that felt. Get it? Felt. So now people, that is a demonstration on how to turn your balls off.
Take all this so do natural play now.
That can't check me. A national lick up in a 3 day. Me know my holiday then. So you to remind me of me. You know the wicked father them already, you know, from early. The youth them never born yet and them a try to kill them out. See if I wanna walk this scoop like this. A good father, I'm good. Some people just don't learn. Anyways, that's subscribe, like, comment, and share the video, brother. Share it. Don't forget to share it. Oh.